how to enable haptics or vibrations in your Roblox application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable haptics for your Roblox application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once your Roblox successfully launches, you will need to click onto this more option at the bottom right. So simply click onto this more option and scroll down to find the settings. So click onto the settings and it will open a new set of menu. Now in this menu you need to tap onto this last option, that is device preferences. Now under device preferences you need to scroll towards the bottom, and at the very last you will see haptics, which controls the overall vibration of the Roblox app. So if you are not getting any vibration, then you need to enable this haptics option. So simply enable it by tapping onto this enable icon, and once it turns blue your haptics will be enabled, and now you can feel the vibrations within your game experience. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.